Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the things that I will share to you online about Adobe InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop. So like this, for example, in InDesign, I will show you how to put each of these brands in one artboard. And this one also for the postcard. This is the back of my postcard. The sentence here is in Dutch because I'm here in Belgium. So later on, I will share to you how I did this postcard. And this one also, the style. So I'm going to show you how to follow patterns. And this one, the advertisement of GoPro and the app. So later on, I will share it to you how I did this. This one also. And this one. And this is the architectural magazine. This is my cover page. And also putting the text. I will share to you how to do it. And how to make a mood board to make your photos that look alike. The color of your photos, that it will look alike each other. And this is my article for the Lovitan or Dandelion, the wildflower in Norway. This photos is composed of or consists of different kinds of photos. This top, the skies, is another photos, and also the mountains and the lake and the wildflowers here is from a different photo. So I make this one from I make this one by Photoshop. And this one also, the next page. So this article is about the dandelion, the incredible wildflower of Norway, and the benefits that you can get of dandelion. And this is my cover photos of the CDs. So later on, I will show you how I did this. I made this one by Photoshop. So I guess these are all that I can show for you, to you at this moment. But later on, I will show you more. And this is the Adobe Illustrator. So I will share to you how to make each of these shapes, especially the transparent shapes. You see this oval, and also signage that anyone who can see it, they know what it means. This colorful shapes, and also making your names with colorful style. And this one also lines, how to make lines. And this one, and also this one, colorful different shapes. And this one, how to make your object into a 3D look like. And this is the sticker. So later on I will share to you how I did this. This one also. And this is my initial name. This is a logo of my initial name. And this one also, the cup. Actually this cup is from a pictures that made of pixels. As you could see, this one, this is the original photos, and I transform it into a vector form. What else? The text also, I will share to you how to make a broken words like this, because in Photoshop or in InDesign you cannot do something like this unless if you draw a line each of these broken lines, but it's a lot. So here in Illustrator you can just put a line by using a normal pen. And this one also a pattern. You can make different kinds of patterns like this, and you can put here in your swatch this one, these patterns. So from here you make patterns and then you save it here, you add here in your swatches, so that anytime if you like to use one of this pattern, you can just find it here in your swatches. And this one also, that I transform it, or I use it for a card for my son's birthday, this one. So from here I make it into a vector form like this. So I guess that's all I can share for Illustrator, but later on I can share more. As of this time, that's the only one I can show you. And this one is the Photoshop. I will show you also how to put each of the logos of each brand like this. It's different by Adobe InDesign, especially saving the files. It's different here in Photoshop. And this one, Malevitz. This is my cover photos of CDs that I show you in InDesign, this one. So I mix it together, especially the text. It's much easier to do it in InDesign, but the photos is much easier in Photoshop. And this one for animation, each of these shapes I make it, and since I'm going to share the basic only, so I just make it simple from a simple shapes with different colors, so that it's easy for you to understand or to make it. Later on, if you master how to do this, then probably you can make better than what I did. Another thing here is this Malevitz that I transform it into animation also, so you can do this. This is what they use for advertisement. And also here merchandise. For example, this one, Tina Turner whiskey. Actually, she doesn't have a whiskey, but I just did this. It's one way also to master your talent to master your knowledge in Photoshop. So I make this merchandise of Tina Turner. I put her photos here. So and this one also, the race car, that I put his photos here. And making advertisement in the app, merchandising like this with Tina Turner. So from what I did in whiskey, I put here. And also this one, the Lumix, I put her photos. You can do this also with your photos. Let's say you are selling t-shirts, so you can put it in your t-shirt. You can put your photos in the t-shirt if you are merchandising of any t-shirt. Okay, and this one, the logos, actually she doesn't have a tattoos, but I put the tattoos on her chest. This is the label of James Johnson's whiskey, and I put here just to practice my knowledge of manipulating the Adobe Photoshop. So you will enjoy playing with the Adobe Photoshop if you masters the how to use the tools. And what else? Here, the Mediterranean restaurant, the Spanish restaurant. This is the advertisement of the website of the restaurant. So later on, I will show you how I did this one. And then the web designer, they will apply this on website. It's a classic kinds of design for the web page of a restaurant, and we call this one also a parallax scrolling. You see that? It's parallax scrolling, like when you scroll with your mobile phones or with your computers. And here also the mood board. I will show you later how I did this. It's different layers, as you can see here. It's a different layers, so it's a combination of all, like cutting this person here. Actually she has a background, and then I cut her background and then I put it here, her photos. So that's how to manipulate it. You see here, it's a lot of layers. Like this one also in the map. You see, the map has its own background also. So I cut it through the tools of Adobe Photoshop. And what else? Okay, that's all for now, guys. And thank you for watching. And please support my channel by subscribing, click like, and click the bell button so that you are updated in every videos that I'm going to upload. Thank you.